Uh, Today we want to talk about circle, how to calculate the length of an arc. So we have able to discuss in previous video about circle, but today we want to deal about the length of an arc. So before we start solving, I want to use the opportunity to tell you that if you are new in this channel, try to subscribe. Also, if what you are doing here is meaningful, be able to share it. So this is a question. An arc suspends an angle of 105 degrees at the center of a circle of radius 6 centimeters. Find the length of the arc if pi is 22/7. So in solving this, you have to draw a circle. It said an arc suspends an angle of 105. This is angle 105 degree. And it said find the length. It said at the center of a circle of radius 6 centimeters. This is 0. Let's label it. We can have A, B. So this is the length that I want to calculate, the length of the arc. So we have been given the radius 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters. So to now find the length of the arc, and the length of an arc, length of an arc is theta over 360 times 2 pi r. So this is the formula for length of an arc. So if the length of an arc, and we will be given the angle suspends at the center to be 105 degree, 105 degree divided by 360 times 2 pi times our r is 6 centimeters. So we proceed from here to now write 105 over 360 times 2 times 22/7 times 6. So let's try to find what it can go in these values. By the time we have 7 here, 1, 7 can go in 10 in one time. It will remain 3, so which is 35. So 7 in 35, 15. So 6 here 1, 6 here 60. 15 here 1, 15 here 4. So 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So 2 in 22 will give us 11. So the length of an arc of this question is 11 centimeters. So this is how to find the length of an arc. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video. So in case where anytime I'm releasing video, you're able to be notified easily. So thanks for watching this video. You are all blessed.